Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel is Cooking Mom. And I'm going to do some fried apples and some biscuits. And the biscuits is out the can. And so is the apples. They fried apples. But they're, I'm going to cook them up. These are, I bought them from Walmart. And my biscuits come from Aldi's. So I'm going to get everything ready to cook my biscuits and fry my apples. And if you're new to my channel, go on there and hit that subscribe button if you like my videos. Also, I want to give a shout out to my new subscribers that I've gotten the last couple days. I thank you for subscribing, and I thank my old subscribers for subscribing. Anyway, just want to throw that out there. Thank you. And get started. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my pan. And I'm not going to cook this whole can. I'm going to save a couple out. Because I'm going to use that for something else. I'm going to just stick them on the pan for the moment. I'll cook about 6. Because there's only 8 in the can. So, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put me some butter on the top. I always put butter on my biscuits when I cook it. And I put like a good little square. I need some room here. Trying to see where you can see. While I'm rearranging here, I also have another channel. It's COOKIN Mom. You might want to go on there and check that out. All right. Just gonna, got my oven hot. And it don't take long to cook these biscuits, and they're from Aldi's. Like I said, they're good biscuits. So I don't know if you've ever tried them or not, but they're good and flaky. And usually it don't take about 12 minutes, so I'm gonna stick them in the oven. All right, now we'll start on our apples. All right, it says melt. You gotta melt about 2 tablespoons. So that's about a tablespoon. And that's about a tablespoon. So we're gonna melt that butter. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna drain your juice off your apples while that's getting hot. Drain the juice out. I ought to be more juice in there to that. I'd use that smaller measuring cup. Got one more can. They have the apples that's already got the cinnamon on it. But I don't like those as good. I like these the best. So, and I'll put me some more cinnamon on them. It's got a good bit of apples in it. As soon as that gets hot, we'll start cooking. Alright, my butter is hot. So I'm just going to throw the apples in the pan. Put it down just a teeny bit. And that is a pan full of apples. Now, I have some cinnamon, sugar, my little pamper shell thing. It's got want it to be good. It's got a little cover to cover it up. And apples smell so good. By the time we get the apples done, the biscuits ought to be about ready. And so it won't take very long. Just want to kind of cook them I turned it down a while ago, and I'm gonna turn it back up now. So, all right, I'm gonna let it cook a little bit, and then I'll come back. Them apples is coming right along. And you could probably use these in a pie if you wanted to, or a cobbler or anything like that. So, probably take you 2 cans, maybe 3. Like I say, depends on how big a cobbler or pie or whatever you cook. So, I'm gonna let them cook a little bit more and I'll come back. All right. Cooking and cooking and cooking. Add a little more cinnamon. Get all that good flavor. Oh, good. I had to add some more time on my biscuits. They're cooking faster than I thought. I'm going to let them cook a little bit more. I like to cook my apples for a little while before I put the juice back in it. We're going to put that juice back in it when we get to cooking them. And make sure they're tender. They're just about there. Need more cinnamon on them. They're good with that cinnamon. Alright, I'm gonna pour my juice in there now. I think they probably cooked enough. We're gonna let it kind of cook down a little bit. Biscuits aren't quite ready. Got to add a couple more minutes on it. I always add less so I can add more so they don't burn. I cook them 12 minutes. I'll probably cook them about 3 or 4 more minutes. Probably by the time this gets done, they'll be ready. I'll pause in a minute and come back. Alright, my apples is just about done. And my biscuits will be ready in just a second also. I'm going to get something to take them out in a minute. Go ahead and turn this off. See how that syrup is, or that juice is cooked down? It made like a syrup. That's cooked up pretty good. Have me some apples and some biscuits. Take those off the burner. All right, my biscuits is done. And you see how pretty and flaky these biscuits are? They're flaky. And the apples go with it. Could make you an apple biscuit. But that's how you make the fried apples in the can and all these biscuits. It's a good little treat right here. Fried apples and biscuits. Can't get no better than that. Anyway, like I said, I hope you like my videos. If you do, go and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.